House, apartment for rent. Pinapaupahang bahay. Open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. House apartment for rent with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. May sariling metro na kuryente at tubig. Nakatiles ang flooring. Bagong pintura. Inside subdivision. Good community and flood-free location. Malapit sa highway. May malapit na school at market. Maganda ang bahay at maganda ang location. Very accessible at very affordable. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, bagong nalilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay. Para sa inyo po itong details and information na i-share ko. So ito po yung vacant na house apartment for rent located in Imus City, Cavite. Ito po yung bedroom, may built-in cabinets na rin. Bagong pintura yung bahay. Very spacious. And yes ma'am, yes sir, kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita ninyo na personal, pwede naman po anytime. Ito naman po yung part ng sala at lababo, dun po yung CR at laundry area, and may provision na rin po para sa window type na aircon. Yes ma'am, yes sir, bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay. Sa nagtatanong kung magkano ang presyo, 6,500 pesos monthly. Yes guys, house apartment for rent, 6,500 pesos monthly with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom located in Imus City, Cavite. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron ako bagong i-upload na house apartment for rent. Marami pa po tayong units na available. Hello guys, yung iba pang mga house and apartment, gagawan na lang din natin ng iba pang video. Ito yung vacant na house apartment for rent, 6,500 pesos monthly. And may sariling metro na kuryente at tubig. Bakante na, pwede nang malipatan kaagad at pwedeng bisitahin anytime. 6,500 pesos monthly, house apartment for rent with 1 bedroom. Good only for 4 to 5 person, no pets allowed. And yes, parking, street parking only. Ang bakante po na unit ay Unit A, nasa ground floor. Meron po siyang garage. Naka-tiles, maganda yung bahay at maganda ang location. Ulit, ito po yung vacant na house apartment for rent, 6,500 pesos monthly with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom located in Imus City, Cavite. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. At follow at subscribe para laging updated. Marami pa po ako sa inyong i-share ng mga details and information about sa ating mga nabivisit at nalolocate na mga bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay. Ulit, welcome po dito sa ating channel at maraming salamat sa panonood.